If you sell on Shopify and your product range includes everything from large, bulky items to small, lightweight ones, you've probably struggled with how to set fair shipping rates for each product type. And that's where custom shipping profiles save the day. In this video, I'll walk you through how shipping profiles work and show you exactly how to create your first custom one. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share some shipping profile alternatives and explain how to handle common challenges. So, what is a shipping profile in Shopify? Simply put, it is the central place where you organize your store's shipping setup. Shipping profile allows you to set different shipping rates based on a product's weight, order price, or destination. The main benefit of shipping profiles is the ability to create custom shipping rates for different products, like a higher rate for a bulky item and a lower one for something small and lightweight. That flexibility, however, does come with some limitations you should know about. First, a product can only be in one profile at a time. And most importantly, if a customer buys products from different profiles, the shipping rates add up. This can make the total shipping cost much higher at checkout and might surprise your customers. Now, let's see how to set up your additional shipping profile. When you navigate to your Settings, Shipping and Delivery tab, you'll see a General Shipping Profile. This one applies to all products by default. It is also your starting point when it comes to setting up your shipping. You can customize it by adding countries or regions and setting your base shipping rates. As you can see, I created a shipping zone for the UK and added the shipping method standard shipping with a rate of £10. This rate will appear at checkout for all products I am selling in my shop, which are the couches and the bedside lamps. Let's go to the checkout real quick and see how it looks when we add both products to the cart. After entering the shipping address, the standard shipping method appears with a rate of £10. But what if we want to set the shipping cost for the couch to, let's say, £50, since shipping for this type of product usually costs significantly more than for standard items? To do this, let's go back to the Shipping and Delivery tab. Click Create a Custom Profile. Let's name our new profile Heavy Products. Select the couch from the Products section. Keep in mind that the couch will be removed from the general profile once it's added to our custom profile. I'm adding the United Kingdom shipping zone. Add the custom shipping method. Let's name it Heavy Goods Delivery, with a rate of £50. And save changes. My new heavy product shipping profile is ready. Now if I add only the couch to the cart, I will see a Heavy Goods Delivery with a rate of £50 at the checkout. And if I want to purchase only the lamp, I will see standard shipping with a rate of £10. However, if we add both products at the same time and navigate to the checkout page, two separate shipping methods appear, with a total shipping cost of £60. And that's exactly how shipping profiles work. As you can see, in the case of two products from two different profiles, two shipping methods appear at checkout. If you want the shipping to appear as a single shipping method instead of two separate ones, just go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery tab, and disable the Split Shipping option. To do this, simply click Manage, uncheck the appropriate checkbox, and save your changes. Now with both items in the cart, a single shipping method will appear at checkout. And that's pretty much it when it comes to adding shipping profiles. However, for some of you, adding up the shipping rates may not be the ideal solution. Because the lower the shipping cost, the higher the chance the customer will make a purchase. In reality, we might be able to send both products together in a single shipment. Since we could add the lamp to the couch shipment, the total shipping cost would be £50 instead of £60. However, Shopify itself does not allow us to set this up, and here are two apps come to our help: Octalize shipping discounts and shipping rates rules and zones. You can find links to both apps in the description below the video. Depending on the complexity of shipping in your store, you can use either one. Let's start with Shipping Discounts app. This app allows you to add discounts to shipping costs, and there are many different conditions you can use as triggers for the discount. For this video example, I'll focus on one specific setting that will help us in this particular case. In the app, I created a rule that applies a 100% discount to the standard shipping method when both standard shipping and heavy goods delivery methods appear at checkout at the same time, which in our case means both products were added to the cart. Let's see how it looks at the checkout page once the discount is activated and both our products are in the cart. As you can see, the discount has been applied, and the total shipping cost is £50. If you need a solution for a more complex shipping scenario, our second app might be the right choice for you. This app allows you to set different shipping rates for different products in one place without creating additional shipping profiles. Additionally, it allows creating custom shipping rates for custom postcode-based zones based on weight, subtotal price, quantity, product tags, and so on. Before we begin, note that I deleted the second shipping profile, so both products are in the general profile now. Also, instead of manually adding a shipping rate for the United Kingdom, I added the rate using the Shipping Rates Rules and Zones app. This means that the shipping rates shown at checkout will be generated directly by the app. Now let's go to the settings inside the app itself. With Shipping Rates Rules and Zones, you have great flexibility to implement various shipping scenarios, but I will present just one that fits our case. As you can see, I already added the United Kingdom zone and added shipping rates. In the heavy goods delivery shipping method, I applied a product tag condition. Earlier, I added appropriate tags couch and lamp to our products. The heavy goods delivery shipping method settings corresponds to the case when the cart contains both couch and bedside lamp, as well as the case when the customer adds a product without the lamp tag, which means only the couch is in the cart. For both cases, I set the rate to £50. The second shipping method, standard shipping, activates when the cart contains a product tagged lamp, and the rate of £10 will be shown at checkout. It is also hidden when a product with a couch tag is added to the cart. Such a setup makes the standard delivery shipping method available only when we add the bedside lamp to the cart. Now, let's see how this setup works on the checkout page. First up, what happens when both products are in the cart? You can see that only the heavy goods delivery shipping method with a rate of £50 is available. Now let's remove the lamp and check the checkout for the couch alone. Again, we got the heavy goods delivery shipping method with a rate of £50. And the last test, when only the bedside lamp is in the cart. The standard shipping appears with a rate of £10 as expected. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to try out our apps. Links are in the description below the video.